I want to go through how to download testgen. So the first thing you want to do is open up an internet browser. Then we want to get to Google. So however you do that, www.google.com, and then it brings up the Google website, and we're going to search Pearson testgen. When we search that, it brings up the testgen instructor site. We're going to then click on downloads, and it's going to ask us to log in. Use the same login that you do for MathXL. Alright, then we get that in there, and so now this is what you want to click to download testgen. You go ahead and click that. Depending on whether you have a Mac or a PC, we're going to click download PC. It's going to bring that down, and when that downloads, then you're going to be able to go ahead and it's going to pop up, and you're going to be able to walk through the process, and it will go ahead and install that in your computer. I already have testgen on my computer, so I'm going to go ahead and cancel this. Just again, once it downloads, click open. And then after you open it, just follow the steps and it should download okay. So I'm going to cancel this because I already have testgen downloaded. Then I'm going to go back to this main page. This is the first page you saw when you logged in. If you click here to test bank of test questions for your specific course, you want to go to Pearson Higher Ed. And you want to go ahead and search the catalog. When you search the catalog, let's go ahead and search by ISBN. That's always the easiest way to get to where you need to go. So I'm just going to pick the book that we use for intermediate algebra. Depending on the book that you use, it's going to be a different ISBN number. Just ask the course coordinator or whoever is in charge of that course, and they should be able to provide that with you. So I'm going to go ahead and put the ISBN we use for our 080 class, 0321925149, and you search it. And once we make that search, you see that it brings up our book. And when you look at resources, you can see that as we scroll down, this final one here is testgen computerized bank for elementary and intermediate algebra, 4th edition. And you would just download this. So we're going to go ahead and download that. And you see that's downloading that right there. Now, the one thing you want to make sure is you want to make sure you know where this is downloading to, because you're going to have to be able to open this up in testgen. So what I'm going to do is, when this finishes downloading, I'm going to click on this right here. We have to wait a second for it to finish downloading. And then it's going to open up, and you can see here is the test bank that we're going to use right now. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to drag that to my desktop. And we can see that it puts the test bank right here for me. So I know exactly where it is. It's sitting right on my desktop. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to open testgen. Sorry, let me get testgen open. We open test generator up. So once you get this testgen opened up, what you want to do is you're going to go ahead and say add test bank to library. I'm going to go to my desktop and I'm going to find, here's that one that I was just working with. And we go ahead and we click open. And you can see right here, that testgen bank that I just downloaded appears here. Here's all the chapters. We can get in there. Here's where all the problems are, and we can go ahead and pick those and select from them, okay? Again, if this didn't make sense or there's anything you want me to clarify, just please let me know. Thanks.